I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes Jamaican style easy guide. Start by combining flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, then whisk milk, egg, and melted butter separately. Fold wet ingredients into dry until just combined. Do not overmix. Add a touch of vanilla and a pinch of nutmeg for warm flavor. Let the batter rest for 10 minutes before cooking on a medium skillet with a little oil. Keep flavors balanced and simple. A little vanilla and grated nutmeg go a long way. Try folding in mashed ripe banana or a handful of raisins to add natural sweetness and texture. For a more authentic island twist, substitute coconut milk for dairy milk to bring a subtle tropical richness. Taste the batter lightly and adjust sweetness by adding a teaspoon of brown sugar if you prefer a sweeter pancake experience. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: on another note, the meal prep containers you saw make storing leftover pancakes easy and leak-proof, perfect for packed breakfasts. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them quickly and save time. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Preheat your skillet to medium heat to ensure even cooking and a golden crust. Lightly grease with oil or butter and pour batter using a measured scoop for consistent sizes. Watch for bubbles on the surface and set edges as your cue to flip. Cook the second side until nicely browned. Serve pancakes warm with sliced fruit, a drizzle of syrup, or a spoonful of coconut yogurt for an inviting, island-inspired breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.